have nothing to do with it. Sa kwasia we gina parliament eyi nso hohoro ne nsa no. Kwasia we sa ka kire se Sam George Mbrambe ma ne answer. Also we kwasia.
Empenifo na bu bese se okra enifia na enkura enya ho edi agro bosire hehe. Ekọ obedi telebusia okọ break kakra. Ema receiving alert se oba Ghana hanom. Na ni break ni mlatin se eniwa bebrebe nya kwan etwaguye. Na afina kemtira waba. No ba ye no. The first hit wodi akogu Afenyo Markin. Efa kwasia Afenyo Markin abebusa Sam George. Kevin Taylor dwene ho ani tipom ose won tie ase. Tabeki kana adwene. Eda kira Afenyo Markin. Aha yi Penyah Broad Media. Message us any day mo. Oba like video da roba subscribe button na click notification icon for latest update. Na ba kire wadwen ama me e wo comment. Message us oba so a share video ma wo nua so enya bi ahwe. Etebekaya during the ministerial vetting edru Sam George so Afenyo Markin ene ne edo me nyina wieye no during the approval of Sam George Afenyo Markin led the MPP to wash their hands from the approval of Sam George.
We, the NPP Minority Caucus of 88, and let the record reflect that we have stepped down our opposition in view of the calls by respected members of this house. We are therefore not going to pursue any longer the secret ballot, but rather to abstain. This is out of deference to members of this house who have reached out in utmost respect, and we want to demonstrate that good faith for the records by saying that in view of the representations made, we would rather opt to abstain from the vote so that it becomes your sole decision for Hansa. We are therefore opposed to it, and Mr. Speaker, it is majority. Carry your own cross. We've washed our hands on them. This is all we've done. Take it.
What I said. So Afenyo Markin led the MPP caucus in Parliament to do this. It is almost who said, you know, there be question me busa Sam George, you know how is my man there? There be. Yeah, you know to me, 8 year there, tin time. Sam George, ye tum as ye Minister for Communication. If the majority want to do that there, they should do it. They will from baby ano omadia. And watchi, and Afenyo Markin ebebusa Sam George question. Nancy ye. Say or per se Sam George ebe masam account be or communicating some information be about ECG near their DB. And na Kevin Taylor say what you want to say. Say Afenyo Markin enya ukroye na woka say Sam George wa horo mun se free no na afei ade ne nipa wa horo mun se free no se mu hu ni se oye mu minister now obe question on his ministerial work. Kevin Taylor say there be Afenyo Markin dey oye no ma make kan se mi kiro Kevin Taylor abetwa agina Afenyo Markin so na busia ensem pa Kevin Taylor akeka Afenyo Markin no. Watch the video.
Watch the platform on the planet right now. Now, quick. This is a very interesting story I want us to look at. Now, near to Kromha, near to her, and Sam George, Eco Face NPP, and the NDC for our vetting committee. Sam George, at the end of the day, excelled. Ghana for who said, John Dramani Mahama or Sam George said, Ombeye communications minister, no, John Mahama did not make a mistake. Now, near to Kromha, and Omoko Parliamentary, Omoko Akwaji Sam George, Atum said on the year communications minister. Yehu sa Akwaweya, Ohu MPP Fuso Bujim, say, Afenyo Markin, President no paid you. wahwehwɛ MPP mo hu sɛ mo agimi ɛne wo hu sɛ mo mu bunu dodo no nkenkan mo yɛ kwasiafo ma obeyusi mo ne yɛnte Ghana ɛna Afenyo Markin begina Parliament ka kyerɛ Ghana for say wahogoro ne nsa efiri ɛyɛ the endorsement of ɛyɛ Sam George, and that Sam George na yɛbɛyɛ ne minister no ɔno ne mpɔnkye no ɔmo di n'akyi no ɔmo yɛ ɔmo ahogoro ɔmo nsa. They have nothing to do with it. And that comedy, didn't it happen in Parliament? So I thought to say, as we speak, Sam George as the communications minister, the NPP in Parliament as a political party, they don't recognize him as a minister. And that is what every rational, intelligent human being do. Because okay, yes, say akwa we de engineering tum da ohoro yensa John Muhammad de ma ye peno ye de endorse na mo endorse na engine tum ye hu ne say oya minister. We don't see him as a minister. Until the moment obeka sa no, then it means say Sam George dwumadie bi a odi bia no wonni ho kwai say wo do kwasia bebusa no question if you say we din ka ohoro wonsa et say wa wo ba na wa fra wo ba na ba fie na wa ka che de say mapo bra ma wo ma hohoro men say firi obra ho mapo bra ma wo intade be kina be kona mema du egu ni so a say wa po de bra ba no edi say wo twam na say oni kom na tare dan ho na ye body to ni ti shigatem te say vim lady ni ti shigatem na ye body doggy pepanti na o kem me obetwam na wo ba no ye de ni ti say ye de apem ye de edan ai ye de ntuma ahye eye empechi said the bear impari nye dede na ye de ni ti say ekua poki ye de atare mpa na ye body to no kem me because of paper so wo se wo po ne brahma no enti se wo po ne brahma na adentina se akora no obotutu wo Maryland de awoba jip krata how and they sorry ya Afenyo Markin said, I want the Minister of Communication, Digital Technology and Innovations to brief us on the steps government is taking to resource GBC. Penyah na ose ono o endorse Sam George no. Penyah na ose omo hohoro monsa endorsement no mo nka ho. Yes, Sam George baby ano, they don't have nothing to do with it. Sa kwasia we gina Parliament eyi nso hohoro ne nsa no. Kwasia we sa ka kire say Sam George mbra be ma ne answer. Also we kwasia. Be catch them say Afenyo Markin we Jimmy or 43 years today. We hu some party we Jimmy. Onim some mudu do we Jimmy. Oba wa pono. Nipa wa endorse no. Why do you need answers from him? We are kwasia. And you see, the reason why we don't allow these people, or we always step on their neck and they say, we need to let them understand. They say, "Omuye MPs keke, omunim nyansa njobia." Tell me, question pay you in Parliament. ASR concept. MPP. The 87 pigs no good chino. Yes, I didn't do it. I was telling myself that this guy is a fucking idiot. He is basically leading this group of sheep into a ditch. They are so stupid, they don't know that the actions of Afenyo Markin, it is denigrating and it's also making the NPP unattractive to even the so-called neutrals. It's the guy's foolishness and drama now, one, he cannot stop any endorsement in Parliament. Afenyo Markin bet to me, Ari, Koto Ewo Ghana, don't me stop anything in Parliament. So John Mahama and there, okay, so be a better 6 months for Ghana, don't me be beyond for Parliament. It will happen. So when the NPP were following this crackhead, this 99, this criminal, this thief who has stolen Winnie Bafuasa for 99 years, this guy, I was shocked. I was like, na party no enyansafo ni mu bie mana. But I'm not surprised because Madam Patricia Apiejei na me din say dwini woni timo ni nyansa. And wa ma akwara we. Akwara kitikiti kronfo we di party denim e wo Parliament. And na wo ma me Penyah wo tuofu dwene. O sorry na wo bobon tuma hye onufo ase e di nkuto afa ho. Abo wuti abetena Parliament. Na small boy Jimmy fo we ya te party ne enwo no. Awurani a onim ni kurom tene kasa. Ama kwasia we abegina party denim e twetwem te se ndompe. Na kwasia we gina Parliament e hohoro ne nsa efutu PDD. Obi a otumi esuma obi se obi mba yankofa omo na onsan defend omo krofo we. Na Apiejei mo tete ho na Jimmy we hohoro ne nsa ade akyen a nipa na wapo de bra man na wontumi endorse no o ka kire de say ombra na ombema wo answer ombema onni answer na say wo si answer. I thought Sam George was only endorsed by the NDC, so it's only the NDC that has the right to call Sam George for question. And I thought Sam George was only endorsed by the NDC, so why is the MPP led by a pig now bringing Sam George back? I thought you people didn't want to have anything to do with him. They be me catch the Ghana for, they catch the MPP for, until you change your ways, your leadership, the way they think. This a futu pididi. At the end of the day, a pedophile, a defender. Wait, okwaji obi yere ema nipa no nua akofa obi ba ema defender Afenyo Markin. A pedophile defender. A futu pididi way a baby oil asra ne ho a ode ne nam Ghana ne ho nyenya we no. Wasem part na mudi mu Jimmy Dinichi. Why is he calling Sam George to come? He has no principles. This guy is so foolish. He acts on impulse. He is not able to think through issues. And you see, what Dinka say, analyze the party. We weigh on a level of intelligence. We weigh on when we say Omo Jimmy. We weigh on when we say Omo base no any nyansa. We weigh on when we say Omo is saying Kramai. So what he does is he always touch Omo nerves. Yeah, Tia, we don't understand. We don't want to do this. No, so Jimmy. Yeah, Tia, party no Omo Jimmy. Where Johnson and Johnson MPO, baby oil jarred the throne says stram. A chair won't hear it. No, dear chili. No, don't question my boat to actually. Where Johnson and Johnson MP, where Johnson and Johnson minority leader, where PDD, a foot to PDD. Oh, no, to meet you be here. No, as I'm a nipana, wajen and yereno, nema, or satata, nema, way. Such a filthy ingrate way. And a motor party. Party, I must say, yes, anti four party. Party amuna mo say mo na nanom na tie na mama kwasi ampanyi we oni mechi abeje party na boso keka kwasi asem ultimately stop it akoko from in parliament. Wait, Johnson and Johnson minority leader we baby oil gare ne ma efutu PDD sakwa we odemu be ye adwuma odemu be gisika odemu be building a career ohun se mo Jimmy, your base is so weak. A futu PDD said the NPP base. Now, Utia somewhere, are you not surprised? Because any Afenyo we can say, yes, Sam George there, and these MPP for they have nothing to do with him. Now, the question on your day. It is Sam George Memo answer now on your day. So, who endorsing? You don't recognize him as a minister, kwasia. Now, idea. That's somewhere very before I go on that I go to that Paris issue. ECG in 6 years from 2018 to 2023 made a cumulative loss of 23.4 billion. Now, sometimes when these things come up, the assembly Ghana for young people in Kasi. The scandals, na government in the area to Obi say and this for more than 50 days wa bemu adana munchi obia adana amecho bibi on say right now you have seen series of pickups and I say chinkofo invite chinkofo eba the police and I say NIB. Now let me tell you one thing. So we investigations, this is what is going to happen. When you do investigations, the oral team, the NIB, the national security, they have a lot on people in Ghana. They can't MPP for we my boy. They have a lot. If you make Johnny, guy we are from the Kingsley Ajiman. Akwana no scholarship secretariat. No way. A certain MP will free Ghana 3 weeks or buy election. Kingsley Ajiman. Let me state this. Kingsley Ajiman, a certain member of parliament, on a former boss of national service. National Scholarship Secretariat. Sakwana wo wie sika na ofri achem fo hene bi no ebu akwa hene na ne se gold o se copper hye de sim na oto dim sem hunu no sa akwana na oye scholarship okobo kro no abebete ne to no oye sitting MPO we free Ghana 3 weeks no mba fie busa won sa dentra a whole sitting MP obi a yato abama no Kingsley Agyemang Abuakwa North and anya ho no MP Abuakwa North ai me no ka say we free Ghana about 3 weeks no mba fie o ya sitting MP bumuza so o abrochire ye den osuro so be ko di MP no wapo MP na maye no akotena odwane akotena abrochire mo amowo Kingsley Agyemang no constituency mumusa ne so wen we jai MP na to and wakotena abrochire adechira we di national service sika scholarship sika into oya MP no osuro so be fie into as we sit here about 3 weeks wagidi and leave ye wu be onam Kingsley Agyemang ewiwe ya Mr. Let's get me his picture. Kingsley Agyemang onena obedi atachiana ni tise boat unim boat ai bongris atachiana ni tise achimpoli ni tise bongris sa Kingsley Agyemang on na bedi atachiana de atachia kwasia Penyah kotena housing ministry or sign kwasia contract kwasia Penyah nim tum se bidi ase ofri one of the cromfo we be share ho Kingsley Agyemang me no ka say a certain MP we took 3 weeks on ma fie oto wurem. Now I want to tell Ghanaians something. A lot of investigations because now when you do investigations now we are the person who investigating. Thank you very much team.
In fact, since we show a casation and casa petemeso, now no dear, what the abu Afenyo Markin. I remember the fateful day when Afenyo Markin led the MPP caucus in Parliament to wash their hands. And to all that you have no concern and found who be. Adi ahoro nsa na we put a question. Kemdra so ntia se. Edi fata ba kan adwene pa. Adi a kira Afenyo Markin akɔhwɛ bi. Ube to a kira wadwene e wo comment section. Aha, eye Penyah Block Media. Ye de no kredie e na ye adwuma. Subscribe na turn notification icon on so that I stay drop video bi abenya notification. Put a kira wadwene e wo comment section. Background.